So today we are going to start with this paragraph writing. Okay, as I have told you that what are the topics are coming in the exam. So this is also one of that paragraph, and the paragraph will be coming in descriptive. Okay, descriptive. What do you mean by descriptive? Descriptive means describe something, describe somebody, or describe event. I told you that describe something, describe somebody, or describe event. Then next we can say like that. You have to give detail. You have to give detail about a person. You have to give a detail about the event. You have to give the detail about what? Anything. Okay. Now one more thing, that you have to explain something. You have to explain something. For example, if you see Taj Mahal, so you have to describe about that Taj Mahal. Describe. This word came, no? Describe. So here, look. Descriptive means what you have to do. Describe. Next. Detail. Next. Explain. Explanation. Okay. So these are the three main points that you have to be very clear about the paragraph. Means what you have to do. Okay. In paragraph you have to describe. You have to write descriptive paragraph, and there you have to write. There you have to give description. There you have to give details. There you have to give explanation about what. See, again you have to give explanation about what. Explanation about what. First, then you have to give descriptive, means there you have to give the describe about what? Person, event.
Podcast mute yourself.
Person, event. Please, those who have unmuted them, so please mute your mobile so that means other can study well, means other can listen to others. Okay, see. Here you have to describe about person. Here you have to describe about event. Describe or detail or give explanation. And one more thing, that's anything that you have to describe. Take it? Okay? Got it? So these are
Yes,
the points.
sir.
These are the points that you have to keep it in your mind.
Yes, sir.
So if you have to write the definition of descriptive paragraph, so you can write it. You can write in your own words also, and if you want to write, so I can tell you. So write down a type of writing that is not coming in the exam, but you should know about what is descriptive writing. Okay, so a type of writing that is mean, a type of writing that is mean.
Sir, in which copy we have to write?
Hey ma'am, any copy you can write. This is very important. Okay,
Yes.
a type of writing that is meant to describe a person. I have it here. To describe a person, place, any place you can write. One thing I have left, place. Okay, place, or any event, in great details. In great details.
Sir, can you repeat it again?
Yes. A type of writing that is meant to describe a person, place, or event in great details. Okay, you all have written. Once again, look at the board. Now we are talking about this descriptive paragraph, and here descriptive paragraph means describe person, describe place, describe anything, or describe event. Once again, in this descriptive paragraph, give details of person, give details of anything, give details of event, give details of place. Explanation means you have to give the explanation. So let me tell about the first. How will you give the description about a person? Description. First, you can explain about a person that how the physical appearance means personality you have to talk about. Personality, how his fair or her fair, his physical appearance means how he was looking or she was looking. There you have to give. Okay, tall, short, fat, thin, fair, black, curly hair, straight hair. So these are the words that will describe the person's personality, person's physical appearance. Okay, now coming to the next. Anything means anything you can explain. Now talking about event. Any event, if you have to talk about any event, what do you mean by event? For example, any annual function, marriage procession, or any
Olympic
other
Games.
Olympic Games. So there you can also give there also you have to give details or explanation about that particular event. Now place, I told about that.
Taj Mahal.
Yeah, that is not Taj Mahal. Place, we are talking about
Historical
place.
place.
Anything.
Historical.
Agra.
Yeah.
Historical
Agra,
place.
yeah, Agra. You can explain that what is there is what are the things that is situated means that we find in Agra. That is the explanation about place. Okay, got it. Now you all have understood now that what is the meaning of this descriptive paragraph.
Yes, sir.
First of all, you should know about it that what is
Yes,
paragraph
sir.
and what you have to do here. You have to give the details, you have to give the description, you have to give the explanation about the person, explanation about the event, anything or place. Got it? If you have any doubt, you can ask to me, okay?
Sir, can I ask another question of GK?
Not GK man, here I'm
Sir.
teaching, yes.
Sir, please. So
Yes.
why the cricket and kabaddi are not played in Olympic Games? Sir, can you give me reason?
Suhail,
Yes, sir.
this is not a English, this is not a GK class, this is English class, okay?
Yes.
That your question is very important, but right now I'm teaching you paragraph. So if you have any doubt, any problem related to paragraph, you can ask to me. I'm here to explain you.
Sir, in exam, paragraph will come to write.
Yeah, I told you that paragraph, later, story. These three topics are very, very important. That is given by the CBSE board. Yesterday I have told you,
Okay,
day before yesterday also I have told you that you can check your syllabus of English writing part on CBSE board side. Okay.
Okay,
So
sir.
listen. Characteristics. So what are the characteristics about this? So first point is, if you want to write, you can write. If you don't want to write, just you can listen to me carefully, okay? You can just listen to me. Painting picture with words and vivid sensory details. If some pictures are given there, so you have to write the details about that picture. Okay, again here you have to give a description. Figurative language such as similes, metaphor. Similes and metaphor is what? Similes and metaphor is figures of speech. Okay? A lot of details and descriptive adjective. There you have to give adjective also. Means adjective that you know very well that describes. Again describe word is coming. Describes about a noun. And what is noun? Noun is a name of person. Again person, game, place, animal or thing. So here what you mean? What do you mean by this adjective? So logical structure and organization. Okay. So how to start? First, how to start? There you have to start. I will just write it down on the board. But first listen to me. Introduction, supporting details and conclusion. So these are the very, very important things that you have to start. So now listen, what is the format of writing a paragraph? Okay? See, format. So first of all, you have to give heading or topic. Okay, so first of all, you have to write heading or topic. Then you have to be very, very clear about the language. Okay. What do you mean by language? Language means there you have to write in Urdu or Hindi, no, or English. Say language. Language should be semi-formal. Semi-formal, what do you mean by this semi-formal? Means try to be simple but attractive. Okay? Whenever you are going to write paragraph, that you have to be very, very careful about the language. Means there you can make others understand what you want to say. Okay? So that should be simple but attractive and appealing. Okay? And avoid displaying your linguistic ability. Linguistic ability means what? If you're going to write a very difficult word, and for that difficult word, that person has to find out the dictionary and has to read, means has to find out the meaning. But that should be in a proper, means that other can listen, another can, means by saying only he or she can understand, means what you want to say. See, descriptive paragraph is just like what? What you see, what you observe, what you listen, what you see, what you observe, what you listen, that you have to write in your own words. In your own words means don't try to become linguistic manner, means in a linguistic ability. Don't use it, okay? Because that is very important, that you have to make others to understand how to write in, means how to understand. The second point, next. First, heading and topic, the second, language, and the third point, you have to take care of this, hints. Okay, hints. That hint will be given there. Hint will be given there, and that I will also give you a hint. Okay, so that you can write paragraph, and that is related to your book only, means class 9 book only. So, what are the hint? Actual information. Actual information about incident. Actual incident means actual information about incident and experience. If the hints are given there, I'll give you hints so that you can understand it. But write this third point, hint. Okay. Then the next is what? Date. Time.
Sir, voice is not clear.
Time and venue. I'm audible to all?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So the third point is date, time and venue of the incident. Okay, see, the fourth point is there you will be given that you have to write date, time, event, means venue of the incident or experience, means that you are going to share. Okay, now the fourth point that you have.
Sir,
Yeah.
so value of event, what is mean?
Place of the event. Where
Sequence.
happened.
Yeah, yes. Just like if we talk about venue now, so before 2 or 3 years that you had annual function here, so venue was given there, that on the card, school campus. Okay. See, the next is sequence. Sequence of action. Sequence of action means what? You have to write in a proper way, like after one, two will come. Okay, after two, third will come. Don't try to write like that. 2, 1, 3, 6, 5, 4, like that. Don't write it. That should be in a sequence way. For example, that if you talk about any event, if you are going to describe about any event, so there should be in a sequence way, means in a sequence. That what comes means what happens at the first time, what happens second time, what happens third time. So there should be sequence. Okay. So the next point is sequence of action. So now the next point is reaction of the incident. Reaction of the incident. Action reaction that you have studied in class, in physics. Am I right?
Yes.
So reaction of incident.
Yes, sir. Chapter is it?
One more point that you have to write, that is use of sensory details. Use of
Sir, not looking
Sir, not
blackboard.
visible. Sir, not
Sir,
visible.
can't see downside.
Okay, so you can write, I'm speaking here, use of sensory details. See, you have to use your all 5 senses. Okay, while I'm speaking is while I'm writing, I'm speaking also. So that if you are unable to look at the board, so you can listen to me. So the next and last point is use of sensory details. Use of sensory details. Have you all written?
So what is the second last point?
Yes, sir.
Second last point is reaction of the incident. So now we will see that what are the points that we have to keep it in our mind while writing a descriptive paragraph. So write down points to remember. Points to remember, okay?
Sir, what is the last point?
Last point is uses of sensory details. Points to remember. So let's see what are the points. Okay, so first point, write down. Please, if you joined once, so please try to be here only. Again and again, I cannot admit you here. I saw that most of the students, they are just left the class and again they are joining. It is disturbance now. Okay, look at the board. First point is choose a topic. Okay. Then the second point, is it visible to all?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Create a
Adistani mute yourself.
create a statement. The second point is create a statement. The third point is get the sense right. Fourth point.
Sir, what is first and second and third points?
And then it is written on the board.
Second point is create a statement, and the third point is get the sense right, and the fourth point is create a outline. And the fifth point is write a conclusion. Okay?
Yes.
And the next point is review.
Sir, you can speak because we can't see that much down.
And
Or
the
write,
second point is
write another side, sir.
okay. Now complete. Okay. So these are the points that you have to keep it in your mind.
Review.
Review.
Sir, review me.
Review means when you complete your exam. When you complete exam, listen. Recheck. Now you got it. You got my point. Okay. So recheck. Okay. Then finish it.
Yes, sir.
So write down.
Sir,
Right.
and create outline means.
Just I'm going to give you example. Okay. And for this you have to write the paragraph also. So this is your homework. Write down. Write down your homework.
Yes, sir.
Taking the information given.
Taking
Rishabh, don't speak. Taking the information given below. Taking the information given below in the input. In the input, comma, describe it, describe it into a paragraph, 100 to 150 words. 100 to 150 words.
well done.
Done?
Yes, sir.
Add your own details. Add your own details.
So here's
Add your own
Sir,
details.
me.
Your details means your words.
sir, here you will give no.
I'm going to write. Okay.
Everybody unmute yourself.
You also, Kanish.
I think that you have read this chapter. You have read this chapter.
Yes, sir.
Sir, but we have to narrate it in our own word, no? Hello? Sir, but we have to narrate it in our own words, no?
That you can write. With the help of this hint. Okay. See, that gap is given there. No gap. There you have to mention. Is it visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Sir, no separate building.
No separate building, no payment cancel, no printed books. E-books, e-books, TV screen. TV screen means television screen, right?
Sir, after losing one teacher, there is a gap.
Mechanical teacher. Slot to put homework. Slot to put homework. No fun. Old school. Not same learning. Okay, so these are the hints that you have to take the help and you have to write a paragraph. Okay,
Sir, last point what? Not.
same learning, not same learning. Have you all written?
Yes, sir.
Because
No, sir. No, sir.
Yes, sir.
you can.
Yes, sir.
Those who have written, that's okay. If you have not written, so you can change. You can see in video. Okay, that is recorded.
Sir, just 1 minute. Can you sign it? I will take screenshot. Sir, done.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, class.
Thank you, sir.
This is your homework.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
class.
Thank you.